Hi everyone, I'm Jack and I run the export business here at Baber Knitwear. Just wanted to take a moment out of our day to give you a quick look around the studio. We're all closed down for lockdown like everyone else is, but hoping to be back online fairly soon. But follow me, I'll give you a quick look inside. We moved out here about 3 years ago now, I suppose. We just call it the studio, really. It's property basically closed to members of the public, but this is where we do a lot of the export production work, and it's our yarn store. So in here you've got yarn colours and swatches and samples and things that we get sent by various suppliers. Lots of stuff for us to play with. Ubiquitous cleaning equipment, which has become a bit more commonplace around here, I'm sure you can imagine. And then this really is the studio itself. So that's Portia, one of our 5-gauge knitting machines. She's been sitting up here for, as I say, about 3 years. She's off at the moment, so she's having lots of maintenance and cleaning done, but not an awful lot of knitting. But otherwise, this is the studio. So you can see at the back of the room we've got yarns on the shelves there, silk coming in from Spain. There's Irish wool at the back, linen and cotton yarn from across Europe. This is a lot of Italian merino. Here you've got swatch samples in various formats. Linen, silk, cashmere and whatnot. These are finishing tables and boxes of things ready to go out and be sent off to customers, or checked and packed and washed and whatnot. And then you've got office space at the back here. We do design and programming work on new designs. That's my desk. And these are linking machines. That's a heavy gauge, a 3-gauge machine. These are 6-gauge machines, these two. But we do an awful lot of our assembly on those here. And at the back you've got cones of yarn for linking garments together for assembly. I'll just take you upstairs now. Out here you have, these are brooches, website brooches really, in stock for the wholesale collection. But really this room is the yarn store, so you have boxes and boxes and boxes, and do excuse the mess, we just had a delivery in a few days ago. This is yarn, this is linen, cotton on the back wall here. A lot of the wool, waste yarn that we use for the knitting process. But we keep an awful lot of yarn here. And then upstairs we've got the finishing rooms. Well, this is us upstairs. This is finishing rooms really. There's an awful lot of stock up here at the moment. These boxes at the back are the e-commerce collection. We keep one of everything packaged up, ready to go. These boxes are all orders waiting to go out. A lot of them pending stores reopening really. And then a lot of knitwear here that was being assembled for a trade exhibition, which we're keeping. Hopefully we'll be able to get back to shows tail end of the year, and we've got some photo shoots planned. Across the back here you can see an awful lot of shawls and jackets and things in lots of new colours for the year that were being prepped and ready. And this is a finishing space really. It's an overlocker, sewing machine and a pressing table. But yeah, this is the finishing room upstairs. Hope that was interesting. Just wanted to give you a quick look inside. Thanks for watching.